Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Warzone 3 can't find a match issue. Now it's a very easy fix. Just simply go to your particular game, then just simply click on find match, and the game should automatically start finding the match. But the issue is that it is taking too long regardless of you having a very good connection and stable internet, but the game still doesn't connect you. Just as you can see right over here in my case as well. So what I find that works best for me is simply close this particular game mode. So click on cancel, and what you can do is just simply go back to a different game mode. So currently we are in Warzone. Now let's say for example, just simply go to Warzone Bootcamp. Just simply select this game, then start matching in this particular game, and just simply see if you're matching or not. And if you're still facing the issue, as you can see, you will start be matching very soon. Now once your game have started matching in the other modes, as you can see, this is currently matching. So once it starts matching, just cancel the matching like this, and then just go back to your Warzone, and then over here again try to start matching, and if it's giving the issue, just simply do the same thing again. Go to a different game mode and try to match on that particular game mode, and then the moment the matching is complete and you have your team in your lobby, just simply cancel out and leave the lobby and come back to your own game mode that you would like to play. And as you can see, it found the players and it's now starting. So this is one of the solutions that you can try. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.